Okay, so hello everyone. I just want to tell you that I am working hard in creating a periodic table. Mm, this periodic table will be open source. I will give all the idea is to make it very dynamic, that you can like filter by temperature, by fusion, by other properties, so by orbitals, by energy levels, etc. So now I'm publishing the link. Let me show you. It's here in my site in Games Car Academy periodic table, and here you can see. And if you want to download the code, you can click here and you can get the code from GitHub. I'm gonna publish and it will be free. You can download and you can make better this periodic table, dynamic periodic table. The idea is to be open source. Everyone can use it, everyone can upgrade it, and is to create a great resource for learning the elements that is the foundations of chemistry. So thank you.